Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dropbox Sign for tax authorizations, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Dropbox Sign for tax authorizations, visit the official Dropbox Sign website. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign Up option in the upper right corner. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Dropbox Sign. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you will be directed to the login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new Dropbox Sign account. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. To begin the setup for tax authorizations, navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings, look for Integrations or a similar option. Click on Integrations to connect your tax preparation software if necessary. Follow the prompts to integrate your software for streamlined authorizations. Next, return to the dashboard and locate the Templates section. Create a new template specifically for tax authorization documents. Fill in the necessary details and upload any required files. After saving your template, navigate to the Send section. Select your template and enter the recipient's email address. Add a personalized message if desired and review the details. Finally, click Send to dispatch the tax authorization document. Monitor the status of the document in your dashboard. You're now ready to efficiently manage tax authorizations with Dropbox Sign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.